What's good with y'all? It's your boy Curtybo, and I'm back with another banger, man. And in today's video, I must be showing y'all how to mix vocals professionally on Bandlab, how I get down on here, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, man. And let's turn on that post notification because I'm finna be dropping a lot more content just like this. So you don't want to miss out, man. But hey, without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, y'all. So this is just a little track that I had made. I had made this a couple days ago. First things first is I just lay my vocals down. I really don't worry about how it sounds too much or like how sloppy it looks. So like the first step I do is I clear out all this dead space, all the extra space, you know. That's just don't need to be there. I just like to clear those out, man, get those out the way. You want to do that all through the song. Once you get that step out the way, next thing you're going to want to do is hold the screen for like 2 seconds and then pull down. And then you're going to want to stretch it all throughout the vocals. You're going to want to capture all the vocals in that. And you want to click on the 3 dots right there and then denoise everything. Now, once you denoise everything, it's going to get all that extra noise out, and it's going to like get it like a little bit more crispier than it would have sound if you didn't denoise it. Now that I got that out the way, next step you're going to want to do is mute the beat, put down the red bar. Now what the red bar does is it's basically a repeater. So for an example, I'm going to just play this song right quick to show you guys.
Can't even set no plays, it's too much jealousy. Can't even set no plays, it's too much jealousy.
What that allows you to do is to focus on that one segment of the song so you can get like a really good mix on it. I'm not connected to Wi-Fi right now, so some of the presets aren't showing up, but this one right here is just the de-easer, and this is the TechLab compressor. If you guys would like to copy this preset, here you guys go right now. But de-easer, graphic EQ, take screenshots if needed. Everybody's voice is different, so you might have to take a couple fix the high ends and the the low ends on the graphic EQ. But noise gate, that's on every preset. Filter Eco Plus, good echo preset. Got the studio reverb, and we got a equalizer EQ3M. Some might work. Like I said, if you got to change it, go ahead, because everybody's voice is different. And then we got our compressor. This isn't that my actual compressor, but it gets the job done, so I just use that for now. I'm not really too tech savvy with the compressor yet, so I still got to do some research on that. Yeah, now that that's out the way, once you put your repeater on, you're going to want to go to your preset and then go over to graphic EQ. I got the repeater on, so I don't have to keep going in and out. I could just stay in here. The repeater feature makes it a lot easier to mix your music, and I'm gonna show y'all how. So now that we got our graphic EQ, we're gonna just fix all the low ends and the high ends and just get it sounding a little bit more crispier and less distortion.
Can't even set no plays, it's too much jealousy.
Now sometimes I just I do that little up down thing up to 400 hertz. Now this is just like a little personal thing. It's not how everybody do it. It's just like my own little sauce. So you know what I'm saying? I'm not a professional, but I do know what I'm doing. And then for my 800 hertz, I just turn those up kind of like to the max. I do 2 knobs at a time, and I just like turn them down slowly until it sounds good. If y'all wanted to copy down that filter echo, it's nothing too major. I don't like adding a lot of mix to the echo, because it's kind of like, like, I don't know. It's a little different on Bandlab, so I kind of just keep the mix down. And for my studio reverb, I throw the mix on 4% as well, because it's just honestly I feel like it's the mic I'm using. But if you have a low quality mic, the reverb and echo is going to be a little weird. But like if you got a high quality mic, you could probably turn it up a little bit more. But yeah, that's that. And excuse my preset name. Sometimes I just be in my mode. I'll be so worried about getting the melody down while I'm making like music that I just name whatever. And if I find a good preset while I'm making a good song, I just like save it, so under any name. So don't pay too much attention to that. I do got an IS preset, and I will be doing a tutorial on that soon. Stay tuned for that, man. I'm gonna start making them high quality presets. But yeah, man, once you get that done, you're gonna want to save that preset, and then you're gonna want to slap it onto your secondary vocals if you have any. And then, man, your song is gonna sound crispy, bro. I'm telling you. Even your ad-libs. Make sure you denoise your ad-libs as well. I don't got ad-libs for this song, but you know what I'm saying? Denoise your ad-libs. And man, your song's gonna sound a lot more better. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos. That's just a little sauce I wanted to put y'all on, man. But I'm gonna be making a lot more content like this. I'll smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 100,000 subscribers. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Curtybo in this thing. Curtybo out, man. Peace.